guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about balenciaga, and this color is very special. It's a wine red color. So let's begin with the box. You see that balenciaga is well printed on the box there. You can see that there, and you see the shoebox label. This is it, and you can see how the box is. Okay, now let's open the box. You have the receipt, you have this card thanking you for buying, and this other one. Okay, now you have the dust bag. You see on the dust bag, Balenciaga is well printed there. And the quality of the bag is made up of great cotton. You can see the stitching, very immaculate and nice. That's it. Okay, now let's open the box. And take out the shoe. Don't worry, I will give you a close view of this shoe very soon after this video. Okay, you see how the shoe is. See, Balenciaga is well written here, but like it's halfway normally, and the Balenciaga is also well embossed here. You see that the sole is black and white. You can check. Okay, and here Balenciaga is also well printed, and the size is also there. Okay, you see that the elastic here is well. You see, if you put this paper here, it will just take the shape. It can fit your feet very well. You see that like this. That's how it is. And inside here, you see the serial number of the shoe and the size and everything inside here. Okay, that's how it is. Same with this one. Okay, for all those who want to know more about this shoe, you can just contact me and I will talk more about it. Now I want to give you guys a close view of this shoe.